Stainless steel appliances look great until they are covered in fingerprints, rust and watermarks. But don't worry, today I will show you the best way to clean your stainless steel using simple ingredients that you probably have at home. And if you prefer a commercial cleaner, I got a great recommendation for that too. So let's get started.
First thing first, always check the grain of your stainless steel. Just like wood, stainless steel has a grain, and you want to clean with it, not against it. Cleaning in the same direction as the grain helps prevent streaks and keeps it looking polished. You don't need expensive stainless steel sprays. Warm water and a few drops of neutral detergent work just as well. Neutral detergent cuts through grease and fingerprints without leaving any residue. And for the best results, always use a microfiber cloth. It's gentle, absorbent, and won't scratch the surface. Alright, here is how to clean it properly. First, we are going to spray our cleaning solution onto the surface and then use a microfiber cloth to wipe it in the direction of the grain, making sure to cover the entire surface. Once you are done, grab a second microfiber cloth and buff it in. This removes any excess moisture and leaves a streak-free shine. But what if you had hard water stains and rusty spots? Well, that's where Jiff Cream and a non-scratch sponge come in. I just apply a small amount of Jiff Cream to the sponge and gently rub the affected area following the grain. You don't want to press too hard, as even stainless steel can scratch if you are too aggressive. After that, wipe it off with a damp microfiber cloth and dry completely. If you prefer a natural cleaner, white vinegar is one of the best options. It cuts through grease, removes water spots, and disinfects. Just spray directly onto the surface, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and you are done. Also, if you want to make it shine and prevent fingerprints, try a few drops of olive oil. Buff it in with a clean microfiber cloth, following the grain, and you will get that smooth, polished finish. Plus, the oil helps repel smudges, so your appliances stay cleaner for longer. Now, if you prefer a commercial cleaner, Gliss Stainless Steel Cleaner is a great choice. It's designed specifically for stainless steel, making it easy to remove streaks and protect the surface with a polished finish. Just spray a little on a cloth, wipe it in the direction of the grain, and buff it in for a professional level shine.
And there you have it, guys, the best way to clean your stainless steel appliances. Whether you prefer to go with the natural way or use a commercial cleaner, your stainless steel will stay spotless and shiny. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips like this. See you in the next one.